In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sitemap in Shopify. A sitemap is a special file that lists the important pages on your website, and it helps Google and other search engines discover and index your content more efficiently. Shopify automatically generates a sitemap for your store, but you still need to submit it to Google Search Console so Google knows where to find it. That's exactly what we're going to do step by step. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Look for the option called Online Store. Hover your mouse over it, and you'll notice an eye icon appear on the right. Click that eye icon to open a preview of your online store in a new tab. Once your store preview is open, go to the address bar at the top of your browser and copy your full store URL. This is the link we'll use in Google Search Console. Next, open Google Search Console in your browser and sign into your account. At the top left of the page, you'll see a property selector, which looks like a drop-down. Click that drop-down, then choose Add Property. A pop-up will appear with two options, domain and URL prefix. Since we just copied the exact URL of your Shopify store, select the URL prefix option. In the field provided, paste your store URL, then click Continue. Google will now try to verify ownership of that URL. In many Shopify setups, this happens automatically. Wait a few moments while the verification runs. Once it's successful, you'll see a message that says Ownership Auto Verified. That means Google recognizes that you control this site, and you can now manage it in Search Console. Close the verification pop-up to return to the main dashboard. On the left sidebar, look for the Sitemaps section and click it. At the top of the Sitemaps page, you'll see a card labeled Add a New Sitemap. It will display your store's URL, followed by an empty text field. Click inside that field and type sitemap.xml directly after the slash, without quotation marks. Then click Submit. A pop-up will appear saying Submitting Sitemap. Wait until the process finishes, and you see a confirmation message that says Sitemap submitted successfully. Then click Dismiss at the bottom of the pop-up. You'll now see your sitemap listed below in the sitemaps table. At first, the status might say couldn't fetch. This is completely normal right after submission. Google usually needs 24 to 48 hours to process your sitemap. As Google works through it, your pages will begin to appear in the Pages section of Search Console as they get indexed.